Hello, everyone. I'm Roy. I am the owner of USA Kayak Fishing Magazine and the host of the Kayak Cafe podcast. So I just wanted to come on here and do a little um, touch base on what happened in Alabama with the boat and the accident that just occurred, um, and give you my thoughts. My first thought when I heard of a boat accident with a fatality was um, it was a bass boat that hit a kayak. Because I watched plenty of videos where these hot rods of machines are just cutting through um, guts and back channels, and I'm just thinking to myself, man, what if we were just chilling, trying to catch some crappie or bass fishing in that channel, and this boat whips around the corner at 70 miles an hour? How fast is it going to stop before it just plows through? Um, and then just to see the carnage that can come from something like that. And then accidents can happen. I know that it can happen no matter what. Clear, two people coming through, a chit chat, not paying attention, whatever. But there's a lot of things on these fast moving rockets that are right in your face that aren't warning you. You don't have a warning system that says collision's about to occur. I mean, there are airplanes that have that and they still hit each other. So when you're on the water and you are in a kayak, you have no course of action to get out of the way. Even if I saw you coming at me at 70 miles an hour, if you didn't see me, I could probably not get out of your way fast enough before you cut me in half. So when I hear people talking about kayaks, I'm talking about boats and their speed limits and should there be speed limits? Yes, I think there should be 100%. If you're in a boat and you can power up and jump out of the way, you get mad when they zoom past you. But if you're paddling, you're not going to get out of the way. If you have a smaller electric motor, you're not going to necessarily get out of the way. Um, if there's a long distance between you and the boat, maybe. But if they don't see you, you don't know when they're going to turn. They're not looking for you, at you. They just looking at a screen possibly that says, "This is my channel. I need to be on my channel," and just plow right through you. So I feel bad for everything that's happened. I think that there has been a great potential for something bad to happen to kayakers, um, especially watching videos and the way um, there's a recent video came up with an entitled boater who tried to swamp somebody, or jet skis that try to swamp kayakers. I mean, there's all kinds of crazy stories out there, but when something like this goes down, the first thing pops in my mind is it could have been, it could have been I'm not gonna say it could have been worse, but it could have been really, really bad for a lot of people. Um, 71.1 miles an hour at 6,000 RPMs with a 23 pitch Mercury Fury propeller. I mean, there are roads that you can't go that fast on. I mean, you have to hop on the interstate to hit 70, but you're on a crowded lake and you go out there with your family for a paddle. I mean, no one's expecting that. So, um, I did this all to basically say be safe, keep an eye out for all of the anglers that are out there, the families, the no one wants to come home with one less or more than one less. So please be careful. Keep an eye out. Don't watch your screens. Watch the water. If you don't know the body of water, don't go 70 miles an hour. We've all we've all been that new driver. You don't just jump in it and go fast. And if you're not on a body of water, you are a new driver, even if you have experience behind the wheel. So um, please be careful. So, all right. Well, that's my 2 cents, and hopefully it's well received because it's meant from a good place. And I look forward to seeing you guys on some of the future episodes of the kayakcafe.com.